Good afternoon. I'm here next to the Chong Nonsi BTS station, and the reason that I'm here is because I am about to film a beautiful apartment here at the Ritz Carlton Residences. This is part of the King Power Mahanakhon, and I'm gonna go around here on the 23rd floor. This is the first time that I'm making a video for Sukhumvit Homes where I'm actually talking myself, I'm showing myself and give you a bit more explanation about the unit that I'm going to show you today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to show you the unit, I'm going to show you a bit about what's going on in the area here. For example, you have the MahaNakhon Cube here, which is an area with a lot of restaurants. And of course on the top floors you have the MahaNakhon Skywalk. Let's go to the unit. So here I am at the unit that I want to show you today, and we're having a 3-bedroom unit. We are here on the 23rd floor, and the size of this unit is 211 square meters. Look at the views that you have here of the whole Silom district. You have the Chong Nonsi BTS station right in front, so this is super easy. And as I mentioned, we are on the 23rd floor, and the 23rd floor is actually the lowest floor of the residences here in the building. Until the 22nd floor you have the standard hotel. The rental price for this unit is 250,000 Thai baht per month. The Gaggenau hob, built-in oven, and I like these nice marble tops in here. Here you have the built-in fridge. There are 3 bedrooms, and I will start with the nicest one. We have a long corridor here that you can walk through to get to the master bedroom. And the master has a beautiful corner view here. You can see the train coming in. The road that you see down here, this is Silom Road. From here you will have a bit of a view of the fireworks from New Year. There between the buildings you can see the Lumpini Park. One of the features that I really like in this building are the bathrooms. And they are very bright. You have a nice bathtub in here. A double vanity. And then the separate toilet and rain shower. And of course, great views from here, but of course you can down the blinds. So down here you have the swimming pool. This is the swimming pool of the standard hotel. This is not the pool of the Ritz Carlton Residences. This is the second bedroom. And all the bedrooms are located on the north of the building, so you have these nice views of the area here. Plenty of storage space. They have high ceilings, so the ceilings here are 3.2 meters high. Nice rain shower. As you can see, everything is finished with marble. Also the floor. Here we have the third bedroom. The last tenant just moved out, and this unit is available right now. Every bedroom has a private bathroom with a rain shower. And there's a powder room for the guests. And here at the entrance you have a nice long hallway and a side entrance to the maid's quarter. You have a wet kitchen. Yeah, all the big units in Bangkok have a maid's quarter, but a lot of people just use it for storage. If you're interested in renting this apartment, you can send us an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. The rental price is 250,000 baht per month. The owner is looking for a minimum of 6 months payment in advance, so you have to keep that in mind. But we are not ready yet. Let me show you the swimming pool, the rest of the facilities, and the sky lounge. Here on the 7th floor you find the swimming pool and the sun deck, and this is open every day from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. This is a 25 meters pool, and here you also have the jacuzzi and the wellness, and there is a dedicated kids pool. So here you have a table tennis table, and there is a foosball. If you want to buy in this building, you're buying quality. Here you have the swimming pool of the hotel, and the hotel guests cannot use the facilities from the residences, but if you want, you can use the facilities of the hotel without any problem. And from here you have a nice view of the Chongnonsi BTS station. The gym facilities here on the 7th floor provide a professional grade fitness environment, and all the equipment here is by Techno Gym. And of course, you have the beautiful views everywhere. We are here on the 54th floor, and you'll find the residential club lounge, and this is exclusive access only for people who live here in the residences, and this is perfect for socializing and hosting private parties. And the lounge includes the reception area, a library, a dining space, and of course the best views in the city. So I'm back at the ground floor. Again, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding this beautiful unit here at the Ritz Carlton Residences in Bangkok. If you're interested in renting this apartment, you can send me an email at info@sukhumvithomes.com. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next one.